Hello guys, uh, today I'm going to show you yam curry. We call in Nagamese gochu. This is gochu curry. Let's see how my sister make. Today my sister is cooking something we call gochu in Nagamese. I will show you something. This is tomato. The tomato, we're going to make this tomato chutney. We will smash this tomato chili, and this is green chili. Look, this is green chili. This is going to be spicy green chili. And this is lai pata, green leaf. We'll boil it. We used to make this type of curry like green deco. This is green leaf and king chili. This is going to be very spicy. Look at this one, is very big one. This looks very beautiful, red. We used to cook like that. This is our curry. And this is akuni, our akuni, azon. This is our akuni. We used to make like that akuni. This is our kitchen. We used to cook here. Our small kitchen. We used to keep tea like that. So guys, see you in next video. I'll upload next video. See you all guys.